Legends, welcome back to the channel. John here, and today I just wanted to show you the interior after it's been cleaned on this. It is a Proton Saga in Malaysia. It's just a Proton 1.3 in the UK. It's the GL model, which means it's not the base spec, but it is the sort of second spec up. And I wanted to just show you inside this interior after I've had a little bit of a clean inside and a tidy up as well. You can see the seats are in lovely condition. Here they're like a cloth seat with some sort of vinyl here. The vinyl has started to split here in the piping as well, and the seat here. The door cards are in the same fabric, and this is the driver's footwell carpet, and the steering wheel and the odometer, the dash, 63,000 miles this car's covered. Here's your center console, and here's your fans and your heater system. Real quick video, again just showing you the interior of the car. Now it's had a good old clean and a scrub. You'll never get it perfect, but just wanted to show you that interior before this car goes off to a lovely new home. Till next time then, have a great day whatever you're getting up to. Thanks for watching this little video. And if you haven't already smashed the like and subscribe button, please do, for more great Proton content and others. Have a great day. Goodbye.